Today I'll show you a very interesting automation using which you can automatically keep a track record on all the Facebook leads in your Google Sheets. So assume that you are running an ad campaign for your Hubble store, for which you have also created this Facebook lead generation form. Now in front of you I will show you that whenever a new lead will be arrived via this form, how the same lead will be added automatically and instantly to this spreadsheet. But to automate this whole process, firstly I will have to build an integration, build a connection in this Facebook lead ad form application and in this Google Sheets application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add Hubble business lead to Google Sheets. How about I make it as leads? Okay, now it is asking to select the folder, so I will be selecting this main workflows folder because I want to create my automation workflow in this folder only. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever any new lead is captured via this Facebook lead ad form, then automatically the same lead should be collected in our Google Sheets application. Okay, so in this way I have selected both the applications in the trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect these 2 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect this Facebook lead ad form with the Pabbly Connect so that we can capture the lead data first here in the dashboard. Okay, so let me first select the trigger event, that is new lead instant. You can also read the instructions. Triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead generation form associated to your Facebook page. Okay, so I have selected the same. Now clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and if you're connecting your Facebook account with Pabbly Connect for the first time, click on this button and then it will ask you the access of your Facebook account. But because I'm already logged in my Facebook account in this particular tab, so it has detected that account automatically. Authorization is successful and my Facebook account is connected with the Pabbly Connect. And because we are connected here, you can notice whatever the pages I have created inside my Facebook account have started visible here. So I am going to select this specific page. The name of my page is Ayush Herbal Store. Let me search for the same. Alright, give me a second. Alright, so this is my page, and as soon as you select the page, you will notice all the lead generation form that are associated with this particular page will start visible here. Okay, give me a second. I'll show you everything step by step. Alright, so it has loaded. Let me click on this drop down, and here you can notice various lead generation form. Okay, so how about I open the lead generation form of this particular page so that I can show you the same number of forms are visible here in the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay, clicking on this all tools section from the left hand sidebar, then I will scroll down and then I will be clicking on this instant form section, and from here you will be able to notice all the lead ad forms that are available inside this Ayush Herbal Store. Okay, so this is the form on which I am going to work upon. Basically I'm going to capture the lead data. Okay, give me a second. Let me even show you the preview of this form. Alright, it is the same form. Currently I will close it, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, selecting the same form, clicking on this button save and send test request, and now I would recommend you to read the instructions carefully. Okay, so basically here an important note is given. Please note that after clicking the save and send test button, you will need to generate the sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Okay, so basically it is asking to generate a sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on this particular button. Well, I'm not running any live advertisement, so how I am going to generate a submission? Well, don't worry, we are going to make use of Facebook lead ad testing tool. You can also refer this documentation. You can also read this documentation if you understand more about this Facebook lead ad testing tool, or you can directly search for the Facebook lead ad testing tool on Google. And if you will click on this documentation, you can find the very same link here also. You just need to scroll down a little bit. Well, this is the complete documentation. Scrolling down, and here we have the very same hyperlink, and again telling you can also reach to this lead ad testing tool directly from Google. Alright, so this is the lead ad testing tool, and because we are not running any live ads, so using this testing tool we are going to generate a sample lead. Okay, so firstly I will be searching for the same page, that is Ayush Herbal Store, and now you will notice all the forms. Okay, so how about I open this form, because as I have told you I will be working on the same form and only. Okay, clicking on this preview form button, and you will notice the same form which I have shown you in the start of this video. Okay, so for now I am closing this particular page because the same page is already opened here. Now I am going to submit this form with some dummy details only, so that I can show you how automation can be created. Okay, so clicking on this next button, clicking on this submit button, and as soon as the submission is successful here, you will notice same lead data will be captured here as a webhook response, and here you can notice the response is already received. Let me show you the same lead data one by one. Here you can find the same email address, the same full name, the same phone number. We also have the timing and other basic details. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Facebook lead ad form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time someone will submit this specific form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I will show you how you can send the very same lead data to Google Sheets automatically and directly. Okay, so the application is already selected here. Now I'll be selecting the action event, that is add a new row. So of course a new row will be added first, and in that new row we will collect the data. And again, if you're connecting Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect for the first time, select a new connection and click on this button, and then you will have to provide the access of your Google Sheets account. Okay, I have provided this access multiple times, so I'll go with the existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way your Google Sheets account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And as soon as it is connected, you will notice it is showing the spreadsheets which are available in my Google Sheets account. Yes, because we are connected, it is showing all the spreadsheets which are available in my account. Now I will be selecting this specific spreadsheet. The name of my spreadsheet is Herbal Business Leads via Facebook lead ad form. Well, it is visible at the top only, and because I have a single sheet only, so here you will notice the same sheet has selected automatically. And as soon as you select your spreadsheet, you will notice whatever the columns you have added inside your spreadsheet, the same columns will be visible here as the field. Okay, name, email, phone, and here also you can find the same three column, that is name, email, phone. So basically we will provide the data here in these fields inside Pabbly Connected dashboard, and click on this button and you will notice the same data will be collected here automatically. In this way we are going to automate this process. Okay, and the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy the above lead data and paste below again and again manually for every new single lead captured. I'm going to map the details. Mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data, the same data here in the drop down. Select that data and it will be mapped. Now what is the difference in between providing the values via mapping and providing the values via manually? So if you will write any detail manually here, that detail will remain same, but if you will provide any detail via mapping, that detail will be changed automatically, will be replaced automatically, and again in this way our automation will take place. And in the same way I am going to provide the data in other two fields also. Okay, so I am repeating this thing once again, that the details which I am mapping here will be replaced automatically. So I have provided all the details, and because I have created a basic lead capture form, basic Facebook lead ad form. So I have collected basic information only. Again, it is up to you that what kind of form you want to create and you want to capture the lead from your form, and according to that form you can also add the name of the columns here in advance. Okay, so for now I'll go with the basic details only. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response to receive. Well, the response is received and that is a positive response. So going back to my spreadsheet and checking the data, and here you can notice the same details has been captured here automatically. Let me correct the formatting so that you can see the data very clearly. Okay, so you can notice that this is the same lead name, the same lead email address and the same lead phone number. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect is also working absolutely fine, or you can say that our whole automation is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time a new lead will be arrived via our Facebook lead ad form, the same lead data will be added to our spreadsheet automatically. You do not have to do anything manually. In this way you can keep a track record on all the incoming leads of your Facebook lead ad form, and not just you can share this spreadsheet with all your team members and they can also access the very same data. And if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.